GM, would you say that in everything we do, in every situation we experience, no matter how bad or inconvenient it is, there is a lesson for us to learn in it?
Absolutely. There is always lessons to be learned. However, it depends on the sort of person you are. You have to be extremely inquisitive. You have to be very open. You have to have a passion for knowledge and knowing. And if you have that mindset, you will learn a lesson from everything that's happening. If you're sitting down and absolutely nothing at all is happening around you, then you've just learned that. Yeah, it doesn't matter how bad a thing is, there are always lessons to be learned. If you can't find the lesson in the situation external to your body, if you can't find the lesson in the experience itself, you look inwards. You look at how you responded to something that's just happened to you externally. And then you can start asking questions. Why did I respond like that? Why did that make me angry? Why do I think that that is ugly? Why do I think that that is beautiful? If you ask these sort of questions, everything has a lesson in there to be learned about life, how life responds to itself, how particles respond to each other. Everything is responding to something. So, yeah, that was a long way of saying yes. If you have the right mindset and if you're looking at a situation fully, with full attention and full focus, and that means that when a situation is occurring before you and you are part of that situation, there are things that are occurring from the psychology of anyone else involved in your situation, the situation itself, your involvement into the situation, and the psychology that is being produced between your ears in response to the situation. There's several levels of things going on there that you can learn buckets of information from about life and about yourself and about other people and their connection to you and your connection to all things. Why would something bother you if you weren't connected? I'll go a little bit further. There's a wonderful story regarding Siddhartha Buddha where he was led down to the river where the pyres were burning, and there was someone there burning their grandfather, I imagine. And Buddha saw this and just burst into tears. Now, that would be, to most people, an uncomfortable situation, I imagine. But for the Buddha, being in the right mindset, when he saw this body of this human being burning, he burst into tears. And his first learning, his first realization from that was, I must be connected. This must be me. Otherwise, why do I feel like this? And that's love. And the connection is love. So there's something to be learned just from that alone. I'm prattling on. That's the answer.